National Heroes Day Message 2025. Honoring our national heroes and charting a brighter future. Today, as we celebrate Emancipation Day, we stand on the shoulders of people like William Wilberforce, a devout Christian and a member of the British Parliament, whose faith motivated his abolitionist work. We remember John Newton, formerly a slave ship captain. Newton became an Anglican minister and a vocal abolitionist after his conversion to Christianity. He supported Wilberforce's efforts by testifying about the horrors of the slave trade. These people fought for the deliverance of our people from slavery. It is, in part, of their work that we also celebrate our Jamaican National Heroes, who fought with courage and vision to secure our liberation from the chains of the Transatlantic Slave Trade. That brought our Maroon heroine, Nanny, to us in Jamaica. Let us remember the countless unsung heroes who worked to wrest us from the grip of colonialism. Their sacrifices were not only for their generation, but also for every Jamaican yet to be born, ensuring that our freedom and dignity as a people would never again be denied. Let us remember Paul Bogle and George William Gordon, who dared to challenge oppression, and Sam Sharpe, whose unwavering faith in freedom ignited a rebellion that could not be silenced. Our national heroes envisioned a Jamaica where every individual could rise above the circumstances of their birth and contribute meaningfully to the growth of our nation. Marcus Garvey's message of self-reliance and pride in our African heritage continues to resonate, inspiring us to embrace our identity and recognize the greatness within us. Their struggle was not just for physical freedom, but for the liberation of our minds, hearts, and spirits. As we honor them, let us recommit to building the Jamaica they dreamed of. A land of equity, opportunity, and hope. Though we face challenges today, from economic pressures to social inequalities, we must not lose sight of our potential. Norman Manley and Sir Alexander Bustamante believed in our potential. And so we must not disappoint their legacy. The same resilience that fueled our heroes' victories can propel us forward. By investing in education, fostering community spirit, and embracing innovation, we can overcome adversity and create a Jamaica that shines as a beacon to the world. Let us embrace our freedom with responsibility, ensuring that our actions honor the legacy of those who came before us and inspire those who will follow.